27.
Okay, we got a lot going on here today. I got a dog bone layout that's about 28 feet from end to end, so we got like 56 feet of track.
And there's me,
And that's Mila back. Mila's
I'm
back there.
keeping track of the trains.
Mila's keeping track of the trains. We got three trains going, and that looks like we got 27 is slowing down. It does speed up 27. We're gonna keep our whoa, watch out.
Well, we always take track of the trains. So we always know what train comes. This is so I understand. These ones, the short ones, are actually how many times?
35 is catching up to 27, so we have to speed up. That's 27 right there going by now. We got to speed him up because here comes 35 right behind him.
Yeah.
And he's catching up, right?
Yeah, so we got to slow down one of them.
So, well, do you want to slow down 35 or speed up 27?
27 speed.
27, okay. We'll give 27 a little bump here. Going up the throttle speed 76. 35 is running at 50% throttle. And here she goes. That's my Kato in the front there. RS something or other. I think it's an RS2, 3. RS2. No, RS3. Whatever. Model die casting coming along here. Run number 29. There she goes. There she goes. Got some cattle going to market. 35 is a mixed freight coming around the bend. There she comes. There's 27, Ma and Pa going downhill. The Yakko's pulling some fast refrigerated cars.
Let me show you who's
Going all the way to Denver, Colorado. What? What are you doing?
So one is coming down quick.
Wait, let me get the camera on you.
So, 129 is speeding up on the road. I don't know why. Two trains I missed.
It looks like the lead weight's falling out of the window.
That's two trains. This is an awesome video. And, which one was the wood one again?
The wood?
Yeah.
29 is pulling the logs.
Great. There it goes.
Well, we got a problem here.
What?
27 ran into the back end of 29. It's coupled up. We're in trouble now.
Beep, beep, beep.
I think we'll let
Stop the train!
should we let it run? Look. Should we let it go?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to let that go. They're pretty closely matched, those two locomotives, so we didn't have a drastic derailment when they hit.
Oh, beep.
I think we'll slow 35 down so I don't have to mess with the other throttle. .35 is running up. Whoa, what happened?
So they're all trying to catch up to each other, and so I figured out that this one was kind of winning.
Can't think back up. There you go.
So the middle one was kind of winning. I didn't know what to do. So, and I accidentally didn't pay attention of a lot of them. It's hard to take attention to them.
Okay, so 35 is running off of that throttle all the way down there. That's the laptop connected to the DCC power supply command center, and the other locomotives are running off the tablet here.
Got a winner! Chicken dinner!
What?
I don't know.
Well, let's see if we can get a better picture of these going by here.
I'm on the middle team.
Alco. Oh, what happened?
So
Wait.
this guy is catching up with this guy, and now I'm on this guy's team. So you
Too close.
tell me which one are your team is on. Whoop. Eat it.
Where were we?
This one's catching up. Oh, I'm scared. I want them to go every single way. Like every single way. Off the red, I'm running out of space. Wait.